science fans.
Hi science fans, we're back. We've got another experiment today from the Magnetic Lab by Gout. And this is proving to be quite fun because we've got lots of magnets and I always like playing with magnets.
Me too.
So this one is called...
Shake up the filings.
Filing Faces.
Nice.
Okay? And what you need is iron filings capsule, the bar magnet, and vinyl face stickers of Mike and the Monster.
Mike,
don't put them
yeah, I'm just putting it.
So Mike and the Monster. You could, but we're not going to do it this time. We could also do it with a photo of yourself, all right?
That'd be funny.
But we're not going to for now. So, and a flat surface. So it says what you need to do is choose a sticker.
You can have first dibs.
I'll be the alien.
I'll be Mike then.
So peel the sticker off.
Actually, the alien has better space.
Take the sticker off.
Okay. Which side? Oh, this side.
Would you like assistance? Oh, there you go.
Ah, yes. Now what?
Right. So stick it. Take it and stick it on here.
Okay, like this. Yeah?
Yeah.
Ah! Let me do it perfect. You help, please. I can't even stick a sticker on. That's be
No,
perfect.
it's quite sticky. Okay.
Now what?
Right.
Oh, he looks
Now you
weird.
can turn it over and he's showing through,
Yes.
right? So now what you can do is using the magnet on its end, you can make all sorts of funny faces
Like?
with...
Yeah.
So you could give him a beard.
You can do it. And splat.
You could give him funny hair. You can do whatever you want with it, really.
Wait, let me... And then he has hair. Do you want to see my hair? Let's show the camera!
So yeah, you can do all sorts of silly things, with it, really. So...
Do you want to try? Give it a go, I dare you.
Give it a try.
Give it a try.
So I'm going to give him a bit of chest hair.
Oh, you like dudes with chest hair, don't you?
There we go. I'm going to see if I can just adjust his
Perfect amount of hair.
beard a bit.
But he has hair!
So you could do this. Obviously, you could do this with the other sticker as well, but I don't think we will do that right now.
Mm-hmm.
And you could do it with a picture of yourself underneath. So you could be, you know, having a look to see what you would look like with a beard if you really wanted to.
Yeah!
Now, let me just show you. So that was obviously a bit of fun, right? But if we just take this guy off.
Uh-huh. How are you going to take him off?
Well, it's a vinyl sticker, so it should come off fairly easily. And we can stick it back on here for another time.
Okay. Will he still be sticky?
Yeah, he should be. Should be okay. See if we flatten that down. So, now if you want to know the science, I drew that picture, didn't I, of the magnetic field in the last one, right?
Mm.
Now we should be able to actually see it this time, right?
Oh.
So can you see how they're all... You can see the magnetic field because even when it's not touching it, it's dragging them around.
Yeah.
So that's the strength. So I can put it up here and it'll pick up ones which are far away.
Yeah.
And you can you see them sort of jumping?
Mm-hmm. You can adjust it.
So the stronger the magnet, the further away you can do it. And why do you think that happens?
I don't know.
So, what material do you know about that's magnetic?
Iron.
Iron, exactly. So if this was plastic inside, it wouldn't work, right? Because plastic isn't magnetic. But if you put a magnetic thing in, and mostly things with iron are magnetic.
Are we magnetic because we have iron in our blood?
Well, there is a little bit of a magnetic force to people, yeah, a very small one. Then, yeah, that's working now. So it's jumping up to the magnet, but not all materials would do that. So there you go. So, and each end of this is called the pole of the magnet. So like the North Pole and the South Pole on the planet, you also have it on the magnet. And that's where the magnetic force is strongest. So if you can see with these now, they are attracted to the poles more than the middle, right? Oh, yeah. Can you see? So they're sort of jumping up. You can see that camera. They're jumping up on the poles, but not on the middle.
Okay.
All right. So there you go. So that was, what was it called? Filing faces. What did you think of that one?
I thought it was okay.
Yeah. What score would you give it?
I'd give it a 6.
A 6? Okay.
Actually, no, 7.
A 7. Excuse me. I was going to go 7. So yeah, that's good.
Yeah. And if you really wanted to, science fans, can I have the thing? And you didn't want to waste your stickers, you could always just put them on like this.
Yeah.
And then you can give him all his hair.
So there you go. So that was the filing faces. We're giving it a 7.
Solid 7.
So don't forget, if you like what we're doing, then go to our YouTube channel, which is Science Time with Dr. Laura and
Ellie.
And don't forget to
like and subscribe. I'm trying to make myself magnetic.
And we'll see you next time. Bye for now, science fans.
Bye.